All right, today I'm going to do something a little bit different for you. I'm going to take a song, I'm going to talk through some of the OP, and then I'm going to sing it for you. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Spoken Ayre. I'm Kayleen Sanchez. Today we're going to look at the tune Author of Light by Thomas Campion, which is from his first book of airs published in 1613. And I'm going to read through some of the text for you. I will also show some of the IPA if you're interested in that. You can find a score for this on Sarge Garbody's website. I will link that in the description below. And if you would like to hear a recording of this, Loudon and I recorded it back in 2015, and not being quite so far down the OP path that I am today, I still sang it Author of Light. So you'll hear that. I think I said author instead of otar. So I've learned something. So here we go. Right off the bat, our first word is author, which in 1613 would have sounded a little bit more like otar. So we have author o' light, revive my dying sprite. Redeem it from the snares of all confounding night. Lord, light me to thy blessed way, for blind with worldly vain desires I wander as astray. Sun and moon, stars and underlights I see, but all their glorious beams are mists and darkness, being compared to thee. And then we have the second verse. Fountain of health, my soul's deep wounds recure. Sweet showers of pity rain, wash my uncleanness pure. One drop of thy desired grace, the faint and fading heart can raise, and in joy's bosom place. Sin and death, hell and tempting fiends may rage, but God his own will guard, and their sharp pains and grief in time assuage. Okay. Let's get to singing it.
Lord, light me to thy blessed way, for blind with worldly vain desires I wander as astray. Sun and moon, stars and underlights I see, but all their glorious beams are mists and darkness being compared to thee. Fountain of health, my soul's deep wounds recure. Sweet showers of pity rain, wash my uncleanness pure. Undrop all thy desired grace, the faint and fading heart can raise, and in joy's bosom place. Sin and death, hell and tempting fiends may rage, but God his own will guard, and their sharp pains and grief in time assuage.
Thanks for listening. I'm Kayleen Sanchez. See you next time.